Choices. We had moved. We got in the car because we couldn't make it around the Cleveland area.
It was already open up.
Eddie O.J. had a friend in Los Angeles named H.B. Barnum. So he sent us out there to H.B. to help us.
You do? Look at Jeep one. I don't know.
Plants, probably. It did be.
Look at all the little baby boots.
They $45. They better come with a baby. I know. But it's so small. Are they giving them baby so far? Please do not touch. That's scary. Where you got your ugly roosters from? You said that last time we was right here.
Whatever.
That Millie Jackson was there last weekend. I looked at it.
Really?
Yeah.
Millie Jackson.
Where did I put the records?
They're in the shed.
Okay. I'm just making sure because I want to paint them to sell them. They should have some better fur. Give me some fur. Like these. I like that. They got 8. I said everybody got to sell the sheets. None of them sat. No guns on the premises.
Only criminals?
I said on the premises.
Oh, I thought you said no guns, only criminals.
Not what I said. Why, you saw somebody with one? No. Nope, they don't abide by it.
Watch the car, that's why I was getting over. Well, what's daddy?
So I was in Home Depot and I got some of this so I can clear those plates. So I got some of that. And I got some white and gold spray paint to do some things in my room. So that should be fun. I also got some metallic gold paint to trim those plates. Not metallic gold, metallic green. I'm tripping. So I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow. And I did record this video, so stay tuned for that. What else? Yeah, I went to the flea market. But I think that's pretty much it. I'm just about to start washing, I guess. Alright, y'all. So it's super hot out here, but your girl is literally just working on so many projects right now. So currently, I am clearing my marble pieces that I did. These were cup art, and that was nail polish marbling stuff. And I'm using, where is it? I'm using the Rust-Oleum crystal clear enamel to do that. And this over here is another project. This is my stuff for my room. I'm just trying to make sure all this stuff dries. This is room stuff. Some plates over there, room stuff. So right now I'm just about to clear these plates with this stuff. Oh, it's hot, y'all. Right, y'all. So right now I'm at the store and someone literally has their car like wide open. That is so weird. I don't know who it's for, but it's just wide open. That's crazy. I don't know who that's for. So today we have another episode of Cooking with Kayla. We're back at it again. Today I'm going to be making chili though. So I have my ground chuck. I have paprika, red pepper flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cumin, cayenne pepper, parsley, salt, pepper, and I also have this McCormick chili hot mix, and this is really necessary because you know you might not have all the seasonings you need for it to taste like chili. So I have this I have 2 things of tomato sauce and some red kidney beans. So the first step I'm going to be doing is opening up my cans so they could just be open and that could be out of the way. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Then we're going to start cooking this. I'm going to season it, all that good stuff, in this Magnalite pot right here, which is the truth, honey. I'm about to get me a spoon so I can just be prepared, and everything is opened, and I'm just going to start chopping into this. This is hard to do with one hand, so I'm going to chop into this, and then I'm going to start the seasoning process before it all starts cooking. So that's what I'm about to do. Now that everything's all seasoned up, I'm just going to continue to chop in it so it doesn't like form a patty or anything to break it up, and I'm just going to keep doing that until all of it's fully cooked. Once it is fully cooked, I'm going to set up a plate right here with a strainer so I can get all the grease out, but we're going to get to that part. But make sure you have a strainer of some sort and a plate. So I'm about to set that up and prepare to drain the meats. Pink spots, so that is what I'm waiting for to cook. But all that grease at the bottom, we are going to pour it in here so it can catch in this plate. Then we're going to put it back in and start dispersing all the goodness into making the chili. But right now I'm just waiting for there to be no pink spots. If you guys did not know, I really dislike the smell of ground meat cooking. When I was younger, it used to make me like nauseous. Like I cannot do it. But this ground meat isn't doing too much. It's not that bad right now. So as you can see, all of the pink spots are basically gone. So I'm just going to put my mitts on and transfer it into here. To shake it a little bit like that. Let it drain. As you can see, I'm going to just tap it and then put it back. Like that. Okay, so now it's grease free. So now that it's back in here, I'm going to begin adding this stuff over here in the chili pack. I think I'm going to add the whole thing. I got the hot kind. So you do put the whole pack. I had to go ask, but I put the whole pack. I'm not adding any Rotel this time, but usually I do, so I do recommend adding Rotel if you like an extra spice, but this is going to be good enough. See, chili is like a really quick meal. Like, it's not hard at all, and like anyone can cook it, literally, as long as you eat meat. Now with all this tomato, you probably should add a sprinkle of sugar, but I'm probably going to end up adding some barbecue sauce later, so we're going to see. But right now I am going to add some parsley because I like adding green to everything. So I'm just going to stir that in. And I'm going to get my pinch of sugar. just a little bit of sugar to cut that tomato, because too much acid is not good. But yeah, so right now it's 6:18. And I'm going to put this on medium low, grab my lid, and let it cook. Okay, so my 15-minute timer is up, and now we are just going to stir and look. We're not tasting it yet. Well, I'm not tasting it yet. If you guys want to, you definitely can, but we just want to make sure it's not sticking. See if it's smelling like chili, and it definitely is. Right now, I'm just going to add a bit of my favorite barbecue sauce right now. This is the Heinz Texas Bold and Spicy. This is definitely going to be a bit of a spicy chili, but it's alright. Just a bit of it, not a lot, but enough to get the flavor. And chili is something you can cook low and slow for a while. It's still on like low, medium low, and I am going to let it sit for another 15 minutes. So there we go. Alright y'all, so I just have everything right here drying, real cute. Y'all, if y'all like my cooking videos, let me know, because I can definitely start recording everything. Right now, I am making some Cajun Alfredo. You guys probably think all I cook is Alfredo, but this one is about to hit different. I use some different cooking methods. I just feel like it's so fire. Like, if you guys want this recipe, let me know. But it's going to be shrimp too. They're good and seasoned. Not seasoned, but you know. I'm so excited. Like, today was such a little chill day. I got so much done. Go add some garlic. This gonna be good. I can't wait to eat this. But if you guys want more cooking videos from me, let me know in the comments down below, because I can get that for you guys. Hey y'all, what's good? Good morning. It is your girl, Michaela Janae, of course. I just want to come on here and talk to you guys, all 1,000 of you. I'm just still at such awe, and I'm just so shocked, and not even shocked, because I expected it, but you never know when you're gonna reach your goals. So I just feel so blessed to finally have 1,000 subscribers. I'm so thankful for you guys. I'm like getting 1 new subscriber a day. I'm like at 1,026. So I'm so grateful for every single one of you that subscribe to my channel. I have such great things going on. Like, I just don't want to record any videos without my hair done, because I really need it done. So that's the only thing that's like stopping me, but I still have videos coming out in the meantime. My stomach is growling. My special 1,000 video, I'm so excited for that. So I just want to come on here and talk to you guys a little bit, a little car chat, you know. But yes, I'm hungry. I'm ready for lunch already, and it's only 10. For some reason, my ice cream truck man never comes down my street. Like, he passes right by it, or he goes to the business like next to my house. So unfair. What if I wanted some ice cream? Like, I can't get no ice cream because my ice cream man like does not care about me. Why? For what? If you guys like my hair, just know that I recorded a video on it and it should be out already. So check that out. But yeah, he really gonna blast his music and not gonna bring me some ice cream? That's crazy. Crazy. Alright, y'all, so right now I am chilling outside. I just woke up from a nap not too long ago, and I'm just about to eat some snacks and drink some water, I guess. I don't know. I'm not really tired. I actually feel better. I just been up really early this morning. So yeah, I'm chilling. If you like my hair, I recorded a video on it, on the style and the mini twist, so go back and watch that if you haven't already. This truck is like struggling to get over the track. Hot man. one thing about me, I absolutely love gummy food. This isn't gummy food, but that's just another fun fact. But I really love watermelon candy and I love gummy worms. So right now I'm just chilling here in love with these things. Like, don't mind my nail, I broke it. But yes. Alright, you guys, so if you did not know, I am in the process of redoing my room. So if you guys haven't seen those videos yet, it's because I don't know. But the point of me saying that is my room is in a disarray. Because what I'm doing is I'm going section by section. So right now I'm on my closet section, right? You feel me? But I'm trying not to buy too much stuff because right now in this corner of my room I have an accumulation of stuff that's for other sections. But I'm not going to show y'all the finished room until it's finished. But let me just show y'all. Let me tell y'all. I'm not going to show y'all. The closet is what's up. Like, it's really going to be lit. I'm really excited for the closet. Yeah, my closet is going to be fire. But right now, I can show y'all that my dad made me a little step stool / bench thing because I'm going to be in my closet way more. So he made me this super cute thing that I will be DIYing. So y'all are going to see that tomorrow.